Friends, I have this AC152TX of HP, and in this video we'll be doing unboxing of this laptop. As you can see, I bought this from Flipkart for 39,000 rupees. The MRP was actually nearly 44,000, but I got a deal of 40. So I bought this laptop for 39,000. As you can see, I bought this laptop for 39,000 rupees from Flipkart. There was a holy deal, so I got that deal. So let's do quickly unboxing of this video. Here's the laptop. As usual, this laptop is tagged very well by Flipkart. Flipkart does the packaging very well. So let's see what we have got inside the box. Okay.
This side.
As you can see, the MRP is nearly 48,000 rupees. It's not a very old laptop. You can see the manufacturing is December 2015. Let's come to the specifications. You can see users ko theek lage. Let's come to the specifications. You can see this laptop comes with 6th generation of Intel Core i5 processor, which is the latest generation in March 2016. The processor is pretty good, 2.3 GHz. This has a turbo boost up to 2.8 GHz. This has 1 TB hard drive, so no hard drive issues. You can see it has 8 GB of DDR3 SD RAM. SD RAM is basically ultra low voltage RAM that uses very less of your battery. Next thing we have is optical drive. We have no operating system with this laptop. This comes with free DOS. We have 15.6 inches of HD LED display, and we have Radeon graphics, WLAN and Bluetooth, DTS Studio sound. So let's quickly do the unboxing of this video. And let's quickly do unboxing of this laptop, and let's see what we have got inside it. I also want to tell you that there was an offer going on, so I got 1 year free accidental insurance with this laptop. It means within 1 year, if something goes wrong with the laptop, if I accidentally broke down the screen or spilled water on the laptop or anything, I get it repaired absolutely free of cost. Here we have the laptop. It's packed very well, no chances of damages. This looks better than what I thought in the images. Let's quickly open it on. It does not feel too heavy. As you can see, you will not be able to see this brush pattern on the Flipkart images, but there's a very nice diamond pattern. This is actually a silver grayish laptop, and there's a diamond type pattern, self pattern on the laptop, which is looking very nice. There's the same pattern, similar pattern on here also. Crisscross pattern. This is looking very premium. I'm starting laptop. As you can see, battery is not yet attached to the laptop. I'll get one battery also. We have these manuals, and we have this should be the battery and the charger also. So yes, Here it is. This is the battery. And this is the charger. So let's quickly connect the battery to the laptop. So we have connected battery to the laptop. There will be no benefit starting the laptop because it does not have any operating system, but still I'll do it. Started the laptop. You can face one problem that it has no LED indicators, so you'll not be able, if the screen is not switched on, you'll not be able to know whether the laptop is on or off. But it looks premium. It's starting off. So it's asking me to load the windows. The keypad is really nice. It's well built. The quality is much better than the laptops of the basic laptops of Lenovo. The build quality is very nice. The laptop is not bending when I forcefully press the keys. You can see it's i5 6th generation is not written, but it's 6th generation i5 and AMD Radeon graphics. Quickly go to the specification once again. This is an i5 laptop with 2.3 GHz of processor, which can be boosted up to 2.8 GHz. This have 8 GB RAM, but the drawback is it is single channel 8 GB, because if you have two RAMs of 4 GB each, you get better performance of that. But you have 2 slots, you can always upgrade it to 16 GB. It has 1 TB of hard disk. It has a CD and DVD writer, 64 GB. There is also a drawback that the screen is not full HD. The screen is HD ready, that's 1366 into 768 pixels, but this can be adjustable for this price range. The screen type is HD LED backlit widescreen. You have got dedicated processor also, that is AMD Radeon processor, and it has 2 GB of dedicated graphic card. The keyboard is a full-sized keyboard. You have HD webcam also. The touchpad is very nice. The finishing is very nice. The button works pretty well. And the battery is a 4-cell battery. In many laptops you get only 3-cell battery, but this laptop has 4-cell battery. Along with that we have one USB 3.0 port that is here and 2 USB 2.0 port that are located here. So that's pretty well. We have a card reader also. Here we have a card reader also. You can see here. Here we have a card reader also. And here's the optical drive. Here's the card reader. You have a LED indicator here, but not on the power button, but it's on the side, which is okay, it is adjustable. And we have one Ethernet port. Here's the fan. One HDMI port also, and 2 USB 2.0 port and a 3.5 mm jack of audio. Here's the charger. That is not an ultra fast charger, but that's normal charger. So that was for now. If you have a price range of around 38,000 to 39,000 rupees, you can close your eyes and go for this laptop, because in 39,000 rupees you are getting i5 6th generation laptop with 8 GB RAM, and you're also getting dedicated graphic card also, that's 2 GB. And I want to tell you that this is not a shared graphic card, because the graphic card is not taking memory out of your RAM. It has a dedicated graphic card. So if you have this budget, you can definitely go for this laptop. And just close your eyes and cut. देखना है कैसा लैपटॉप?
अरे यार क्या लैपटॉप है यार, फिनिशिंग काफी अच्छी है, डायमंड कट यार, बहुत शानदार लैपटॉप, अमेजिंग यार। ओ भाई नवा लैपटॉप, हाँ जी। और जो बड़ी तोड़ चीज है भाई, ये तो मैट फिनिश तो बड़ा जबरदस्त है यार। भाई छा गए गुरु, छा गए।
You can go